Hi guys, welcome back to the Wright cooking channel. Today we're going to do a whole chicken. We're going to barbecue it and let's get started. Yes guys, this is the chicken. We already prep it, season it, everything. And we're just going to put it on the grill outside.
Right now we're going to put the chicken on our grill. I'm going to turn the fire down and we'll be back. Hi guys, today we'll be cooking squash. My husband loves squash and so do I, and I'm just going to show you how we do it. Okay, this is our squash. This is 2 medium-sized squash cut up. And I have onions, bell pepper, and I have my seasonings. Right here I have added 1/4 cup of oil. And I'm going to turn my heat on high to let it heat. And then I'll be adding my squash. Right now I'm testing my oil to see if it's ready, and I see that it is. I have 1 small onion and 1 small bell pepper. I'm going to add it to the oil. And right now I'm going to saute this until it gets nice and translucent and where I want it. Turn down my fire. Just let that cook. Okay, this is how your onions and bell peppers should look. And now it's time to add the squash. Now, before I throw the squash in, I'll tell you, I added 2 of these little sugars and I just, put them over there. That is optional. You don't have to do it. I just like a little sweet taste to it. And it's really good. Okay, I'm going to add it in. Okay. Now, I'm going to let these fry out a little bit. And we'll be back. Right now I'm going to start adding my seasonings. I'm going to add garlic powder. And all these seasonings are optional, and you just add however much you like for your liking. That was onion powder. And this is my salt-free seasoning. And I'll be adding some cilantro. I'll be adding black pepper. And I'll be adding a little salt. And I'm going to turn my fire up a little bit. I'm going to turn it up to about 8. And I'm just going to saute these a little. And get my seasonings all incorporated in there. It's looking delicious. And I'm just trying to saute this and, you know, get a little brown on them before I cover them and let them steam. Yeah. This is how we do it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep sauteing them and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done sauteing them. I just did it until got a little limp. Okay, this is 1 heaping tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna put that in there. Stir it around a little more. And now it's time to turn my fire down to medium. And I'm gonna cover. Cover until it's done. This is smelling delicious. It's looking delicious. Okay. We'll be back. Okay guys, it's time for the big reveal. I'm done steaming my squash and this is what we have. Voila. Beautiful. And it's so delicious. I came and did a little taste test to make sure it had enough salt and seasoning and stuff in it. And it does. And this is what you should have when you get done cooking. Alrighty. Okay, we're outside. We're going to check on the chicken. This is the chicken. Woo! Okay. We'll still need it some more time, and we'll be back to check on it again. Okay, we have taken our chicken off the grill, and this is what we have. This is what it looks like. And we enjoyed ourselves out there cooking in the heat. This is the other side of the chicken. And we're just going to add barbecue sauce on it and eat it. Okay, this is our plate plated up. This is my plate. This is some rice that my husband made. And here's the squash. And here's the chicken. And that's just barbecue sauce on top of it. My husband's having sweet potatoes. He loves sweet potatoes. And his squash and his chicken. Okay. I want to thank you guys for visiting Wright's cooking channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us how we're doing. Leave a comment for us. Thank you. Bye-bye.